Hello and welcome to this video where I teach you how to use our latest feature, the product configurator. So the first thing is to go to create project, then click the product configurator feature. You can see it right on the left side of the editor. Now we have a 3D model in the editor, and on the right side you can see a blank space where your configurations will pop up once you start editing. Now let's go to the right side of the editor, right under the properties tab, and here you see the product configurator tab. Click that, then start with add section. So already you can see that the blank space is now filled up with content. Now let's check this. You can see that this jacket has two parts, the main jacket and an inner part, right, like a t-shirt inside it. So let's click one part of this outfit to configure. Let's click the first one here, right, and then go to add appearance option. So how do you want it to appear? That's what that basically means. How do you want it to appear? So you can see it here. This is the default color that we have. So it can be default, which is the current color that this has already, right? Or you can make it a solid color. So let's go with the solid color. So we're changing this to red. As you can see, the inner part of the outfit is already color red. You can also change the roughness of this. How rough do you want it to be? Just the appearance, basically. You can even change the texture, right? Let's upload a texture here, right? You can now see that the texture I uploaded already reflects inside the jacket. Now let's work on the second part of the jacket, right? Just go to add section again, right? So this is the second part that we are yet to work on. Click that and go to add appearance option. Then pick the color. What color do you want it to be? So let's go solid default. Let's start with solid first. Let's change this to color purple. Yeah, I think I like this color purple. Can you see? Right? You can also change the roughness level depending on what you want to achieve. Right. So this is majorly how to use this option. Let's also upload a texture for this outer part and let's see how it would appear. Now, as you can see, it has changed the texture of the entire jacket. So this is how to use the product configurator feature. I hope this was helpful and I'll see you in the next one.